Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Kev.
And we're the Klar brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. We're back, baby.
That's right. I put out all the fires in the state, and now we're back to put our fire in your heart.
Wait a minute. I heard you left one burning. You have to go back and put it out.
Well, maybe. So, but it's been quite an adventure, and we are back ready to serve it up, fresh, simple.
That's right.
Tasty and easy.
Right. That's right. We've got a great recipe for them tonight, baby.
What do we got?
Chicken. I'm gonna put chicken in quotes. Chicken crusted Margherita pizza.
So they can use any protein they want, any lean protein, but
we went looking for the chicken and we didn't find the chicken. We got turkey. So we'll explain that when we have the ingredients out. We'll walk them.
All right. Well, tell them how they can find us.
Right.
We got some cool stuff.
They gotta find us on YouTube. Turn on the notifications. Hit the likes. Make sure you subscribe. We are there for your entertainment pleasure.
And we're also on Facebook. We got like 1,400 subscribers or followers. And guess what? We launched a new website. Those little those elves are working overtime in the background.
That's right. Klarhealth.com.
That's right. Super cool. So check it out when you get a chance. Super cool. But we're going to be right back to show you a new simple recipe. So looking forward to it, right?
We got to get the ingredients out. Here we go.
Hey!
What do you think? Does it look like pizza?
It doesn't look like pizza. It doesn't look like pizza at all. But it looks simple.
That's right. Very few ingredients. I mean, there's a little bit of ramekins on here. There's a ton of containers, but we've got it split up into two because we're going to make two chicken in parentheses, chicken crusted Margherita pizzas.
All right. So let me walk them through it. I'll walk them through it.
Yeah.
So the crust is really the meat patty. So we've got turkey, lean ground turkey, because we couldn't find the chicken. Because again, the first premise of the Brothers Bistro is make it simple, make it easy. So we couldn't find the ground chicken, so we found ground turkey.
Yeah.
Same thing. Keep it lean. We got an egg that we're gonna whisk up, all nice and neat, and then we're gonna split it in two when we make these patties, and we're gonna add in the cheese.
That's Parmesan, grated Parmesan.
Yeah, Parmesan cheese and McCormick's, are you listening? Organic Italian seasoning.
We're still looking for that endorsement deal.
So that is the crust part, which is the meat. And then, my bro,
when we get it done, we're going to put it on this super cool vented pan.
That's right.
Another product placement, right?
There's our vented
Shameless
pan. Look at this. You can see through it.
You can find the affiliate link in the comments if you want to buy one for yourself. They're super cool.
Yeah, and we've got the oven set at 400, so it's going to go into the oven with a patty, like that's the crust, and it's going to cook for like 20 minutes, and then we're going to come out, and my bro is going to get it all.
So when you look through the oven window and you see that it's golden brown, you pull it out and you put the toppings on, just like a pizza. So we're going to put some RAOS. This is the shizzle here. No sugar added, all natural ingredients. Then we got some tomato sauce. Then we're going to put on some more cheese because we got to cheese it up.
That's right.
And then we're going to put on some tomatoes.
Slices.
And then we put it back in the oven. And when it comes out for the final time, we'll put on the basil, the fresh cut basil.
Yeah, he made me cut up some fresh basil. Can you believe it? Oh, it was growing. The thing
We're
was
going
on
the extra mile.
Okay, so for you guys, stand by. We're going to build it. We're going to put it in the oven, and you're going to see it come out looking yummy.
It's going to come out golden brown in time for us to add the toppings. That's what's going to happen.
Awesome.
Yep.
Awesome. So stick right with us. We'll be right back. Did you hear it?
Wow! Are you ready to get it out, fireman?
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. We got to get it out, and we got to make a little room here for it to come out.
All right, here we go.
Don't forget your mitts.
All right, I got my mitts.
All right. Woo! I can smell it from here. 1, 2. Okay, they look good. They look good, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, so all we're doing now, and we forgot to get a little spoon. We need a couple of spoons. All we need is we're going to put the RAOS tomato seasoning on the top.
Okay.
So just kind of pour that in and slosh it around. This is what's going to make it taste like pizza, right? And then you want to put the tomato, a couple of tomato slices on there. See if you can put 3 slices on there. You got an extra one? 3 slices on there. And then we're going to put our cheese on top. So just kind of smush that around. And now we're going back in the oven.
For how long?
10 minutes. 7 to 10 minutes.
Okay, going in 1. You hear it sizzle?
And yeah. That was good. 2. All right, so we'll be right back in about 7 to 10 minutes when this thing is coming out. We're basically just waiting for the cheese to melt. And then we'll show you the plated product. We'll do a little taste test. And Bob is, in fact, your uncle.
Ha-ha! Let's do it!
Are you watching the clock?
I'm watching the clock.
I think
I'm
we just pull it out.
Do you hear the horn? Do you hear it?
It's very distant. I think I hear something.
Oh, there it is!
Yeah!
All right, here it comes.
Ooh. Okay, so my brother's gonna pull it out of the fire, because that's what firemen do. I need a hot mitt. If you could grab a hot mitt for me.
I got you one here, buddy.
Can't quite get this off without the... So they held together pretty good. Look at that.
Here, let me get that
This
one right there.
yeah, that's fine. Now, we had done this before with some parchment paper, and that was kind of a loser. This
The original recipe said parchment paper, but this was way better because it didn't stick.
Right.
Non-stick vented pan. It gets it a little crispy.
So you see, we got a little pizza, we got a little salad. We're gonna put the basil on first. So this is fresh basil that we chopped up. Put that on. That gives it a little Italian taste.
And we gotta cheese it up.
Cheese it up, baby.
All right.
And then we got the Bolthouse dressing for our salad.
See, shameless product placement, right?
That's right. This is the cilantro avocado
It's pretty yummy.
dressing.
Pretty yummy. So you usually just you put a couple of tablespoons on your salad. You can't go crazy. Where salad dressings is where you can get a lot of extra calories that you don't really intend. So we want to make sure we're a little careful with that.
Smell the basil. You smell it? Yeah. Smell the basil. It's kind of cooking on there. All right. So we're gonna carve up a little bit. We're gonna do a little taste test.
Okay.
Be careful because it's gonna be hot.
Ooh. It's good if I burn my brother's mouth, right?
Oh man, I think it may be too hot. What do you think?
Hey.
What do you think?
It's good. It's really good.
Yeah.
Got a little cheesy. Got a definitely tasting the
Italian seasoning.
Italian seasoning and the basil. And Ken's got a little cheese hanging. Oh,
That's what happens.
pretty simple recipe, right? Only 4 or 5 ingredients. It only took us about 20 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. I think the total cooking time is estimated like 30 minutes.
Yeah. So it wasn't, and the total shopping time is less than 30 minutes. I mean, it's some sort of ground beef.
If you're looking for the ground chicken, you might be looking for a while. But if you're willing to settle like we did with ground turkey,
That's right.
It worked out great.
So, with that, remember to follow us because we're going to have more cool recipes like this.
Yep.
And look forward to us coming out.
Turn on the notifications, hit the subscribe button, give us a like.
And look for us on national TV.
That's
We're
right.
coming. We're coming for you.
Before you know it, we're going to be there on national TV.
Brothers Bistro.